can see it says this app helped me to reach my 4,000 public watch time hours. Because of this app, my channel is able to monetize. Thank you. Like, this is one of the reviews. You can see the date, 14th of January 2025. So this is not something of 2018, 2017. This is very recent, which is last month, January 2025. So you guys stay with me. Let's dive in. As you can see, the app says get more views in multiple tabs. Your video must be longer than 1 minute. So as you can see, there are actually two different segments of this whole thing. So the first segment is for those that are monetized, that are looking for views. You know, when you're monetized, you don't really need to watch hours. Although when you get watch hours, it helps the algorithm boost your visibility. They recommend your video. But what you actually really need is the views, because YouTube pay you per views when you're monetized. So as you can see, this first segment, I think is for those people that are already monetized, and it says get more views. But the condition is that your videos must be longer than 1 minute. So let's look at the second kind of people, the people that actually just want to get monetized. They don't really want views, but they want to watch hours. It says get more watch time in multiple tabs. As you can see, they do this in multiple tabs, which makes it easier and faster. Like, instead of you watching a video with just one phone, they run it in multiple tabs, so like simultaneously. Yes, so let me now show you guys something. So after you must have chosen the category you want, either you want the one for views or the one, or you want watch hours, then it's going to take you here where you're going to impute your link. As you can see, the link section, this is where you impute the link to your video, like the video you want to promote, the video you want them to watch, the video you want them to use. So once you impute that link, you copy it and paste it here. And it says choose anyone. They have 2 windows, 4 windows, 6 windows, 8 windows. So you have to choose depending on the one that actually works best for you. So once you choose, a lot of people will choose 8 windows because, I mean, you guys want your 4,000 watch hours very fast. So why will you choose 2 windows when you actually want to achieve that 4,000 watch hours? And you know it actually run on the same time. The only disadvantage is just that your phone might hang a little if you're using your phone. Yeah. But because it's a mobile version, you have to use your phone. So then after you choose, then you now click on this arrow right here, as you can see. Yep. So after you clicking on this arrow, it's going to take you to this segment. So after clicking on that arrow, it's going to take you to this segment which says, as you can see right here displaying, this is already the tabs open. So after choosing like 8 windows, it's going to take, so if you choose 2 windows, but most of you are going to choose 8 windows. So when you choose 8 windows, this is how it will display. It's going to display your videos playing. This is it. It is muted already. So you can unmute once it's playing if you want to be hearing the noise. Just that you'll be hearing several voices talking at the same time simultaneously, which can be very noisy. But then once you mute it, it is okay. And then it will just be playing in the background. Just all you just have to do is just charge your phone, um, have data, and leave it. Make sure your phone is running, because you know it has to run for long hours of time. And then there's now something I want to tell you guys. You guys should calm down. There's somewhere I'm heading to. But before I head to, let me tell you, those people that have actually used this particular mobile app, I'm going to be telling you the name of the mobile app, and how you guys can access the mobile app very soon. But let me just tell you about what some people, maybe like 2 or 3 comments or 2 or 3 reviews of what people have actually said about this particular mobile app. So guys, follow me. Let's dive in. So as you can see, Shaolan here commented, and this is of recent because as you can see the date, it is 15th of December 2024. He says, this is the best app to build your YouTube channel. Get 1K subscribers and use this good app to increase your watch hours plus views. Please, the developer should design an app for audio mark streams plus followers straight to monetization. This is one of the reviews. Let me just take 2 more reviews and then I'll tell you what I want to tell you. Another person said, this app is very awesome. It increases your views on videos on any platform. I recommend it. So this person is actually recommended. And now the last comment before I head over. So as you can see, this is a very recent one that just happened. This one was posted on the 1st of February 2025. You can actually see the date. So this is actually very, very recent. It says it is a good app. The viewer, as I'm recording this video, let me look at the date. So today's date is 4th of February, meaning 2 days ago. That was when this comment was dropped by Gideon Stanley. Said it is a good app. The viewers increased in my video and I enjoyed the app. So guys, now let's talk. Guys, before I continue, if you watch to this point, please just like. You don't even need to subscribe. You don't have to subscribe. Just like. All I need is just like. So please just like this particular video. Now, let me head on and tell you what we want to discuss. The name of the app is, as you can see right here, is multiple watch time browser, as you can see right here. And this particular app has a review of 4.4 star, which is actually very high, and 10k reviews. But there's something I want to tell you is that if you're thinking of trying to use this kind of app, this kind of software, this kind of shortcut, this kind of gimmick to be able to achieve either your watch hours or views, I'm telling you now, you are doing it all wrong. You are doing it all wrong, because I personally tried it and I am here to give my review about it. YouTube, although I did not try it on my main channel because I don't want to harm my channel, I had to create a separate channel because I just like to use something first before I come and give my review. So I used it on a separate channel and say, okay, I just created one random channel, like, okay, let me just see how it works first before I come and bring it to you guys, because I saw so many people talking about and like, this app is really helping me, only for me to discover that those people were actually not real people, and some of them were actually being paid to leave such comments. You know, websites that they'll pay you to comment, they get paid. They'll be like, okay, make a comment on this my app on Play Store, leave this kind of review, leave a good review, and then they get paid for it, only to entice people to actually download their app and use their app. And there's also something I want to tell you. YouTube cannot be deceived. You can never trick the algorithm. No matter how smart you are, a lot of people have been trying to hack into the YouTube algorithm. No matter how smart you are, you can never beat the YouTube algorithm. YouTube algorithm is very, very smart. It will dictate, because even some people go as far as downloading VPN. Like, okay, they use VPN to distract the algorithm, to see maybe it will not really dictate that, okay, this person is actually watching this video from this particular country. So like when they stream for the first time, they can watch it in Nigeria, then they use that same phone again and stream again the second time and watch it in Germany. Like they just keep changing location. But YouTube can never ever be manipulated. So if there's something you don't know, at first you will get the watch hours. You will get the watch hours, you will get the views. It will actually update, because truly, truly, people were at like it was actually reading. But there's something you don't know. The algorithm is going to analyze it. That's why when you upload your video, sometimes the views doesn't tally. Sometimes the view on your studio is different from what is displaying for people to see in your video. Like when you open your video, sometimes in your studio, you can see like 10 views. But when people are actually looking at your video, it might be showing like 3 views. That's because YouTube has not updated that view. YouTube needs to confirm and say, okay, this particular view, is it actually legit? Hope it is not bot. Hope it is not like this kind of gimmick. So it is just a waste of time, a waste of resources, a waste of everything, a waste of data, waste of battery, waste of everything. Like, to be honest, I tried it, and when I saw it, I saw the watch hours and I saw the views. It was going up. I was like, wow, I'm going to bring it to you guys. Only for me to wake up the next morning and for me to see that those watch hours are gone and the views are all gone back to zero, which is actually totally a waste of time. So I was like, okay, if it can be like this, then I need to come and make a review and tell you guys about. So in case you've also heard someone, just like I heard someone talking about it, so that you not try. But if you want a legit way to earn your 4,000 watch hours. I already spoke about it in my other video. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So you can head over to the link in the description and watch that particular video. I think I'm also going to leave the link in the comment section and pin it right there, so you can find it in there in the comment section or in the description. So just click on that link and check genuine way of how I actually got this current channel monetized and another channel. I've also been helping people get their channel monetized by using that same method. So and that method is actually legit because a lot of people have actually been using it and they have been getting monetized. So if you want to get monetized, head over to the description and click on that video and watch it. If you watch to this point, thank you so much. I would have loved to read the reviews, the real reviews, like the people that are actually saying the truth, because those people that said those good reviews, I feel like they're actually bots or they're actually fake reviews. Yeah. But then I would have loved to read those people that actually left the good real reviews of what actually happened. But that will actually make this video longer. So if you want to really read more of their reviews, you can check here. I'm not trying to promote their site or anything, but then I just wanted to bring it out here. So if you want to read more of their reviews, you can just check here. I'm already displaying it for you guys here. Check on it, read it and see, so that you don't fall into victim. I know a lot of us are desperate to get our watch hours. We want to get our watch hours. We can't just wait to get our watch hours. We can't wait to start making money from YouTube. I know, relax. That's why you need to watch that video in the comment section, in the description, so that you can actually get it fast as you want. All right, guys, if you watch to this point, do also subscribe, do also like, and do well to comment what your thought is about this app. Have you seen this app before? Have you heard about this app before? Have you tried it before? All right, see you again in my next video.